friends, it's How It Works Wednesday, and today I'm going to be talking about this beautiful rainbow glimmer paper that I've had for a while, and I wanted just to make a really great card with it that popped out all the color. And so I found a card, so I thought I'd share that with you today. Anybody that knows me knows I love sparkles and bold colors, and when you find a piece of paper with all of it, I mean, honestly, the card needs to be just right. So, but before I start, I want to please ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell below for notifications if you want to see more of these videos. And please, please like and share. I need the likes and the shares. Also, if you want to interested in enjoying my card making classes and being part of my crafty community, please visit my Facebook page, which you can find on my website. Up top here is the website address on this video, and just click the Facebook icon once you're there. It's my Stampin' Up! Website, and you will see my Facebook icon just on the first page. So you can click that and get to my group, and let's get started. So we're going to make this beautiful card. Isn't that great? It almost looks like these are candles. So I already kind of started, and I just used my dies. What are they called? I used these dies here. They are the Playful Alphabet dies. I used these to die cut all of the letters, and then I just glued the tips onto strips of the color. So that's how I did that. And then I took another little strip here and then added a little piece of black. And in my Pretty Perennial stamp set, they have a birthday sentiment. So I used white ink and I just stamped it. So now we're going to put everything together. So I think I definitely want all of these to pop up. So I'm going to use dimensionals with those. So let's get started with that. Let me move this aside. Such pretty paper, right? I love it. Okay. So here, I hope everybody's having a really good Wednesday. I know I am. And everyone's staying safe. All right, I think these really just need a couple of dimensionals. And I'm going to put these on this right on the end, right here, like this. Yeah, that looks better when it's just popped up a little bit. So, and I'm going to make them all different. So eventually I'm going to cut that. So let's just get the dimensionals on each first. I mean, I guess this shimmer, this rainbow glimmer paper, it could actually be a backdrop to, I mean, it would have to be the star of the card for sure, but it would be a really nice backdrop. All right, I'm gonna put that like this. Make sure it's straight. It is. Okay. If you use just maybe even a black card or like a pastel card, and then have, well, not really, a white card or a black card, and then have this beautiful paper, just cut a piece of it out and have it kind of, you know, on here like this, and then have the border of that cardstock show. That would be really pretty. And then just have something kind of basic on top. Can't get too fussy. The paper does all the talking. All right. So this is just going to be so pretty. Oh, I need to redo this. I put my dimensional up a little high. There we go. There. Got to make sure everything's straight. Okay. All right. This is going to be very pretty. I had a hard time figuring out what colored cardstock to use. If I wanted to use purple or maybe the green, I guess you could really use just about any of them, but I did have a hard time trying to figure that all out. This is going to be really cute. Now, do I want this one up here? Yeah, right. That looks better. I'll do it like that. Okay. So I'll put these closer down here, like this. That way this goes up and it's still there. Very cute. So now I'm just going to turn this over and I'm going to just cut these off. Real simple. Okay. Wow, look at that. That looks great. And it's just going to go here, and you see how you just got a little bit of the purple border, so it looks really nice. And I'm not going to use dimensionals there. I want this totally stuck so that the happy really stands out. And also what's really cool about the happy is that it looks like candles. That's what I love. Let's see here. Put this here. Get it nice and centered. There. I want that on top. Don't these sort of look like candles? Super cute. Okay. And now I just cut another little strip, and I tried to use a color that wasn't really here. And I'm going to put dimensionals on this. And, oh wait, what side do I want to use? I did it twice because one side is, I used a brighter white ink. So I definitely want the brighter white. That's definitely a little tip. If you use your white stamp, make sure you get a good amount of the white on the on your block, because it doesn't come out so bright at first. And you really want it to be bright. Okay. Okay. So pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to stick this on. Look how cute that will look. I'm not going to use dimensionals. I'm just going to use the multi-adhesive glue so that you can really see the pop of the birthday. I'm going to put it right in the center and on the bottom like this. Oh, whoops. Make sure you watch those gluey fingers. I tell you, they get me in trouble these days. All right. Look how cute that turned out. Isn't that adorable? So this is definitely one way you can use the rainbow glitter paper. Kind of looks like candles. Quick way to make a happy birthday card to one of your favorite people, right? Definitely happy mail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. Thanks for popping in. Bye.